Y'all already know who it is, Cammy today, and I'm coming back to you guys with a late night snack bang. Do you hear me? Snack bang. Alright, so today I'm coming to you with two different types of cheesecake, okay? So we got some strawberry crumble cheesecake, which is kind of like that strawberry shortcake, and then we got some peach cobbler cheesecake. I'm so excited because I never had these type of cheesecakes. So go ahead and get in the desk, baby, because class is in session. Alright, y'all. It's like 10 something at night. Yes, I got 2 pieces of cheesecake. What's the problem? I'm about to show y'all what this looking like. Okay. Ooh. Look at that crumble on top, and then look at that. Got like some, look like they baked the peach cobbler up in that boy. Ooh, that look good. So before I say anything, if you own this channel, you already know what I need you to do. I need you to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And if you haven't already hit that notification button, hit it, okay? So you can be hip. Hip gang. Hashtag hip gang, okay? We stay hip over here. We know when every time we upload a video, okay? Alright, I'm about to say my grace, and then I'm going to dig into this and let y'all know what we hitting with, okay? God is grace, God is good. Let us thank you for our food. By the same, we all are prayer. Give us our daily prayer. Any appearances in point of contact with our body comes inactive. In Jesus' name, amen. Y'all, I don't know which one I'm about to try first because I'm so excited about which one I'm about to try first because I'm excited. If you get what I'm saying, I wanna try the strawberry crumble, but you know, I'm gonna just go for the cheesecake one. I mean, I'm talking some cheesecake, and they both cheesecake. Excuse me. I got my little hefty, good old. I'm just laying. I got my co-host in the back. Of course, it's Bay.
Flip a coin.
He's on some flip a coin. Okay.
Head strawberry. Tails.
Okay, I'm gonna flip a coin. I don't know how to flip a coin like that, so no laughing. Okay, so I'm gonna flip a coin. Heads is strawberry, tails is peach cobbler, okay? That's how we gonna do it, alright? Oh, I do not know how to flip a coin, y'all. This is gonna be bloopers for days. I'm just throw it up. Oh, it landed on tails. No lie, y'all. On tails. I picked it straight up, and it's straight on tails. You can see it, take that to the bank and cash it, period. So that obviously means we gonna try this one right here, which is, once again, I got this from, was it Starters? It was Starters Bar and Grill. So shouts out to Starters. This is the peach cobbler. I'm gonna get a nice hefty piece so y'all can see, you know, what we getting into. Ooh, that looks so good. Got some crumble. This look like, on top of it, you can tell it's the stuff they put in the peach cobbler, like the crust that they put in the peach cobbler, and then under it is what they put on the cheesecake. So go ahead and take a bite of that, okay? Get some of that. Okay, I'm about to get some. I'm excited. I'm not tasting the peach cobbler. So y'all know I'm a little sad about that. Hold on. Maybe I can get enough bite. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I can get a good one. Maybe I had to get some with some peaches in it. Okay, this look like it got little peaches on the side. Okay, let me stop. Okay.
You hit the peach wall?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, okay, that's good. When you taste a chunk of the peaches in it, then that's when you get the peach cobbler. But just this, like, those stuff on top, no, baby. Ooh, hold up. Wait. Before I even, This one felt like a little, you know, you gotta get up in there. But this one, I just, ooh, y'all. If this don't taste good, I'm done. Oh my gosh, that was so easy to get. Oh my, get some of that. Oh, let me make sure it don't spill, cause I be. Get some. Look at that. Got that little crunch on top. Got that crunch on top, y'all. Hope y'all can see it real good. Mm-hmm. 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 This one right here is hitting. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
What does it taste like?
I'm so dead. It tastes like. It don't taste like that. That other strawberry cheesecake that got like that little stuff on the inside, like that little strawberry stuff on the inside. It don't taste like that one at all. It tastes like it tastes it, y'all. First of all, it tastes like a strawberry cake, cheesecake, and them strawberry shortcake ice creams all mixed in one. And it's hitting. Now, don't get me wrong. I like this this other one. I can't even get it out, y'all. Dang, girl, spit it out today. Okay. Mm. I'm so quiet. And they put real strawberries in here, y'all. Okay, they outdid themselves with this one. So obviously, somebody grandma made this one. Ooh. Oh, I can't be wasting now. And then somebody, I don't know, but I mean, it ain't bad. But compared to this one's setting it on fire. Because I love it with the chunks in there. It's so good. Okay, y'all, for all my cheesecake lovers. If y'all like cheesecake. I know people that don't like cheesecake. And that's crazy to me. Because he don't like cheesecake. And that's crazy to me. But to eat a bagel.
Lactose intolerant.
But to eat a bagel with some, I'm saying like with cream cheese slathered on top.
True.
Straight up slathered on top, y'all. I don't know how you do it. But can't. Eat some of this deliciousness. What kind of cheesecake y'all like? I know some people that like the turtle cheesecake. And if it's something new, have y'all tried the Superman cheesecake? I tried it. I mean, to me it wasn't nothing. My plate keep moving, I'm so sorry. To me it wasn't nothing spectacular. But it was good. So, okay. I'm probably a little late, as usual. But spoiler alert if you haven't been catching up on Basketball Wives. So, if you haven't seen it, go ahead, turn it down, and I'll let you know. You will see the writing when to turn it back up, because I got something to say. Okay. First of all, Cece went off on Evelyn. And I think it's about darn time that Cece cussed somebody out, because she never stood up for herself. And somebody cussed Evelyn out. I'm sorry y'all don't like Evelyn. Not like I don't like her. Let me get together because I don't know her personally. But the vibe she giving me from TV, mm-mm. 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 And don't forget the mm-mm. Because she just, something about her, she just sneaky and she try to act like she don't do nothing. But she knows she be doing stuff for real. And then I'm so disappointed in Malaysia because Malaysia just let that whole situation with her and Jackie just, like, girl, don't let me get started on that situation. Anywho, then Phoebe done cussed out Jackie, y'all. I mean, cussed her out. But Jackie ain't let it slide the next day. It's so good, y'all. Jackie ain't let that slide. The next day, done pulled out a crumbled up $20. Oh my goodness. And she had it, Phoebe had it in her hand, so I don't know if she kept it, but the $20 was in Phoebe's hand, and Jackie the one who said give it to her. I don't know how to feel about it. And then, you know what? Somebody else that's been playing in the shadows, but I'm telling you, they sneaky, and you gotta watch out. It's Shawnee. You think that she not doing nothing? Oh, this her show, and she don't need to act like that. Y'all, she boring. She boring. They gotta make her, you know, even though it's her show, people still want her to pop. So, and her producers or whoever, crew, whatever you call them, they want her to pop too. So they like, yeah, we gonna have you say this and do this. And she, yeah, right with them. Never measure. Last video, I had some on my eyelash the entire video. I was so hurt. But I said the show must go on, right? Mm-hmm. How y'all feeling today? I'm about to end up eating all this one and not even care about this poor little baby over here. I feel sorry for it. But when it's sitting in the presence of this one right here, this one don't even count. And that's sad, but it's true. So starters, cook this one better, okay? You hear me? You just watching me. Yo, this is good. It even got some cake. It do got cake on top. This cheesecake was trying to outdo itself. Oh, y'all saw that. I'm hurt. Get some of that, y'all. You deserve it. We both do, you know. We can't always be perfect. I'm gonna need some cheesecake. What? You know what I'm saying? Okay, here's what I'm going to show y'all. Every time I try to grab the cake is when stuff start getting hectic, which is so annoying. But back to what I was saying. Yeah, they just cussing each other out. OG done knocked freaking, what's her name? Knocked freaking Evelyn down because she thought she was about to go beat up Cece. Y'all just gotta watch it. She really thought she was about to beat her up, like. And, I mean, it did look like it because she running. And she like, you're gonna leave without getting you're gonna leave without getting my birthday gift or my birthday surprise or something. It was running. So here come the football player. OG. Okay. Then, OG and Evelyn started arguing, right? No lie. So, Evelyn looking crazy, stupid. I mean, getting all low, winding and patting the poom, everything while she freaking arguing with her. Saying, like, don't no man want you, stuff like that. OG gonna pull her glasses down, talking about some, Ocho Cinco wanted me. I'm like, my sister at first told me, like, you gotta watch it. This what happened. You gotta watch it. So I just went on my phone, like, you know what? I'm gonna just pull it up. I couldn't believe she straight up said that. I mean, if it's fact, it's fact. But, hold on, this fly, hold on. Because this fly was just everywhere. But the fact that, but OG is always pulling up some dirt on somebody. Always. If she don't like you, she gonna find out. And Cece wrong for telling everything she ever told to anybody. Because Cece just be talking. No remorse. Just talking. Just talking. Yo, I'm getting full. Honestly.
I thought that was gonna get too rich.
Not too rich, but I'm getting full. I already ate today. So, I just really wanted something sweet. Y'all, guess what? Chicken butt. It's like, nah. No, that wasn't funny. Oh. I laughed. It's like, no. So, how's y'all day going? Well, you already know this is a morning type of thing. So, good morning. Period. When class is over, what y'all got up for today? Huh? So, if you gonna sit up at night and watch this, then good night. You know what I'm saying? Hope you have a good night. Y'all, who do people tell y'all that y'all look like? I really want to know. Because people always tell me, no lie, that I look like Tracy Braxton. Now, ain't nothing wrong with Tracy. But can I look like Tony? It's like, no, I know. I probably just don't look like Tony. But it's okay. Still fine. Period. Big dot. Okay, y'all. I'm getting super full. These going in the refrigerator. Somebody else gonna eat that for sure. Let me stop. It's not nasty, y'all. It's just compared to this. It's just not. It's not a. It's not. It's not a contender. Okay. It's just not.
There's no comparing it.
Yeah, it's just not. So, y'all already know. The bell has rang. So class is over. But I had so much fun with you guys as usual. Don't forget, y'all, to like, comment, and subscribe. And show love. And share if you care. And don't forget to hit up our Instagram. Okay, I'm excited about that. Because I'm excited about it. And I'm excited. If you see something over here moving, it's my cat. So, go. Come here. Oh, I wanted to let him do a guest appearance, but come here. Here. I gotta act like I'm giving him my plate, y'all, for him to come. Here. Here. Alright, as we see, this is not gonna happen. So, clearly he don't want to come to class. He just want to sniff around. But it's alright. Like I said, y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you are new. Please, we love y'all. So, till next time, bye.